Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the University of Maryland Baltimore County for the graduate program. So first enter your email address, then set the password, confirm the password, enter your first name, last name. What happens? Some people don't have their last name, so in that case they can put their first name only in place of last name. Then enter your date of birth. Click on these check boxes and then create account. So if you have already created an account, then click on login. Then enter your email address and the password and then click on login. Now go to the application menu. Click on application for graduate admissions. Select your program, which is biological sciences and then biological sciences PhD. Then select the term fall 2024 and click on select. Now click on to the next page. Are you completing this application on your own? For myself, you can select. Then do you have any other names? No. Enter your phone number and always add the number by adding +91 in the starting. Do you use a video call service? And then select your sex, your current gender identity, US citizenship status. So I'm not a US citizen or permanent residence. Country of citizenship. Do you expect to be an F1 visa? Yes. Select your native language. Have you taken a standardized English proficiency exam? Select accordingly. Are you Hispanic or Latin origin? No. Choose your category. The current affiliation, so none. Select the country of your permanent address. Enter your full address. Enter the state. Mailing address is same as above, so select accordingly and then click on continue. Then what is your recent most affiliation? So you can select no previous affiliation. Have you previously applied to this specific program? No. Then education history. Here you need to add the details of your bachelor's degree and your master's degree. So click on search. Then select the state. No, select the country. Okay, so if you attended school outside the US and Canada, you can directly click on this link and enter the details. So enter the name of the institution of your undergraduation. Select the country. Enter the city. Enter the start date. area of study, GPA. Do you earn a degree here? Yes. Degree awarded, you need to select. End date, you need to enter. Then you need to upload the unofficial transcript of your undergraduation. And then click on Add College and add the details of your post graduation. Now again click on Search. Now click on this link. Enter the name of the institution. Select the country of the institution. Enter the city. Start date. Area of study, enter that. GPA you have obtained. Did you earn a degree? Yes. Select the degree awarded. Enter the end date. And upload your unofficial transcript of your post graduation. After that, English proficiency test. So select which test you have given. Enter the total score of the test. And then upload your unofficial transcript of the particular test which you have selected. Then click on Next. Okay, some fields were missing. So what was missing? GPA. Permitted less than 4. Okay, so you need to enter the GPA, convert your GPA in the less than 4 thing. And then click on Next. Okay, again some fields are missing. So check that. Okay, so 3.00 like this you need to enter. And this is perfect. So now click on Next. What is missing? Okay, now it's fine, I guess. Then click on Next. Now, program, do you expect to be enrolled full-time or part-time? So, full-time, do you consent to being recommended for a different graduate program? No. How did you learn about this program? So, you can select accordingly. Here, you need to upload the personal statement. So, read the instructions and upload the personal statement here. And then GRE scores, if it is required, then you have to enter that. And if it is not required, then you can add the details of, you can leave it. Additional documents, you can leave it and then click on continue. Now the recommendations. So add the recommendations here. First name, last name. Choose the prefix. Enter the relationship to you. Use online recommendation system. Yes. Do you waive the right? Always choose yes for this because your reports and the document should send to the university, not to someone else. Then add the second reference, first name, last name. Select the prefix, enter the email, relationship to you. Use online recommendation. Yes. Waive the right. Yes. And then submit. Now enter the third one, first name, last name. Choose the prefix, enter the email, relationship to you, use online recommendations, yes, do you waive the right, yes, and then submit recommendations request. And then click on Next. Now you can review your application. Have you ever been academically dismissed? No. And then click on this and then click on submit. Now after submitting the application, you need to make a payment, and after doing the payment, you will be done with your application.